My name is Adeniyi Oluwatosin. I'm here to present the introduction to International Women's Peace Group. That is to talk about how women can become peace to the world. International Peace Group is an international body that brings women together. This is a non-profit organization which comprises of women of all over the world. The objective of this group is to inspire women. Why we come together is that we believe that women can pass the message of peace because of the way we react to things. It's very easy to bring women together so that they will understand what is going on. So that's the essence of this group. We talk to different women, and at the end of the day, they are one of the peacemakers. The objective of this group is to inspire women with the idea of peace throughout the world. The purpose, idea, and vision of this group goes beyond what just normal discussion. That is in order to have a success story of International Women Peace Group for the world at large. In some of our lessons that we have discussed, the last presentation I did, I talked about some of the qualities of peacemakers. And apart from that, we also discussed in some of our previous lessons about how we can discourage conflicts and war among people. In some of our lessons, we have discussed different issues like war, limitations of war, history of how war and conflict, how we come upon that, and how we can discourage war among our people. Now, by the time we bring women together, we can always discuss of how we will be successful on bringing peace to everybody. International Women Peace Group began in South Korea in 2013 and has grown to become a peace organization of more than 100 branches and worldwide and more than 200 affiliated groups. IWPG continues to grow on a greater rate rather than a limit. That means we have gone beyond limit within a short period of time. We're in 2020. That means between 5 years, we have done what other organizations have not done. Now they have been able to make sure that what people think that is impossible, because people believe that it's impossible to live in peace with one another. IWPG have been able to pass the message that we can live in peace with one another if we agree with each other. That it has grown within the organization, that because it speaks for the purpose of peace and it strengthens and it tells us about the strength of women. These women are establishing a practical peace activities to build and to change the idea of conflict in order to make the world a global peace. So that means because of this message, everybody was able to come together and to pass a message of global peace. IWPG is a peace NGO. So I want us to note that this is an NGO that is speaking about peace. Everybody, we have different organizations, we have different NGOs, but this is the only organization that is talking more about peace. Everybody wants to join the group because we are trying to reach out to them on peace. This makes peace, which people seems impossible, to be possible to the world. International Women Group organize peace conference, we organize seminars, we organize workshops in order to move the activities and discuss the world peace. IPG have been able to transform the world that we feel is of war and conflict, to world of peace in the heart of everyone. That means to you and I, we should know that peace is the only thing that we can do to be united, to come together. That is in our family, in the society, and the world at large. I am proud to be a part of this organization because it has made a positive change which will make peace to stand forever and never change again, so that our children and grandchildren will live the world of peace. Now, the purpose of IWPG, that's International Women's Peace Group, is to embrace women's strength. That is, we believe that women will have a soft power. We have soft hearts. Soft heart on what? On how we sacrifice some things. For example, at times, by the time you think of women, yes, you are pregnant. You know that in the next 6 or 7 months, you will give birth. You know that you're going to pass through pain when you want to give birth, but you don't bother about the pain. What we are after is that after 9 months, after 6 months, I want to see my baby. And at the end of the day, if after giving birth to that baby, I want this baby to live. So you don't bother about the pains around you. So the same thing happens. We believe that by the time we can get women together to understand the idea, because of our soft power and the soft heart we have been able to communicate with each other. we're able to consider that, okay, I need to sacrifice some things. I need to be committed. I need to pass the word of peace to the world. So IWPG is trying to put this knowledge to let all the women around the world to know that these are the things that we can do to to embrace peace. That is volunteers, various organizations, various cultures and arts, volunteers opportunity through projects to serve and to share with love of peace. IWPG want women to tolerate each other. That's one of our major points. We need to tolerate each other. We should understand we are from different backgrounds. We have different cultures. We have different religion. But with everything, we still need to come together and be one family. So IWG want us to understand we have different ideas. We have different ways of life. But we should always live in peace with one another. And also for women to speak freedom of peace on religion and right of women by making known to the world that women has the right for peace and women can restore peace anywhere we are. Another vision of IWPG is the use of the basic spirit behind women acts of a mother and the ability to have compassion, commitment, sacrifice, concentration, and mental ability inclusive, which is based on mutual prosperity. That is the woman motherly love, a sacrifice which is powerful and can create a world of peace. As a result of that, we'll be able to nurture, to try and empower, to try and embrace peace to the world. IWPG is a global network which has been acknowledged by United Nations in 2015. The inaugural ceremony was held simultaneously all over the world. It is centered around the women and mother that have a wish for peace and that can live in peace and harmony with one another. It becomes meaningful when women are united and we embrace peace. IWPG aim to have a total of 3.6 billion of women that will promote and respect the life of peace. That means we have IWPG as a target that, okay, maybe in the next couples of years we are going to have 3.6 billion women that will try and campaign, we talk about peace. And if we can get that in the world, before we know it, you will see that everywhere, every part of the world will be a peace nation. IWPG believe that this will happen systematically if the seed of peace is planted within human hearts. So we have already we have 3.6 women that embrace peace. Before you know it, everybody around us, I as a mother, I will surely talk to my children, okay, we need to embrace peace. The father, everybody around us will be. So before we know it, we see that everybody will be living in harmony with one another. Another mission of IWPG is to find and solve the fundamental roots that causes problem that can block the work of peace. That is, the movement is to decide and discuss how we can eliminate the roots and the conflicts of war. We provide solutions and problems of war and make peace the order of the day. When we make provisions, that is, we try and solve the problems, we discuss. We talk about what are the things that is causing war, and we try and embrace peace. Before you know it now, you will see that everybody will live in harmony. IWPG makes use of legal, institutional, and continuous approach of educational training on peace worldwide. IWPG believe that peace begins with you. That is, as I'm standing now, peace starts from me. As if I can embrace peace, if I can accept peace, everybody here will also accept peace. So peace begins with what? With you. IWPG have promote different campaigns on peace, and if you can recall our logo, the International Women's Peace logo, it embrace. It's talking about our logo is just a moon. That moon is trying to tell us something. It's telling us that the moon symbolizes the candle which embrace the global village with warmth and softness through a gentle act of the women. That means you can say that moon is passing a message that a gentle act, a warm influence, acceptance. So we bring people together in order to accept peace. IWPG strengthen new perspective and movement of peace by planning various activities and spreading the ability of the result of peace. As a result of this, IWPG have been able to establish have been able to establish 67 branches in South Korea and spread worldwide. That is 230 overseas. 52 countries have members of about 760 as of 2017. So as I'm talking now, we are in 2020 now. That's after 3 years. We will have more than that as members. In 2014, Network Forum of Peace Agreement signing different people of different categories to discuss on how to embrace peace and to stop war. This support advocates for the peace law to legislate peace to the world. This signature campaign gives great power to the progress of declaration of the forms of international law. IWPG embrace more of peace education. That means we make what I'm doing now. I'm trying to educate you. So we are trying to educate women of different kind, of different background, to know that we need to embrace peace. That is deliberately to allow women to know why, what, and how to relate the word of peace to one another. All this makes women of late to become peace lecturer. After this training now, if I'm able to pass and I can pass all this training, I too will be able to pass the information. I'll be able to educate people about peace. We also have what IWPG also organized the Peace Plant campaign, which is also an awareness to improve this peaceful spirit of women and to establish a positive change to the world. The Peace Cultural Campaign is an anti-violence campaign environment characteristics of the region on peace activities and improvement in the accordance with each society or countries involved. That means we have different ways of dealing with people. It depends on where we get to. When we get to another place, we try and look at what they want, and as a of that, we use that to pass the message of peace to them. And also we have what we organize every March 8th, we organize International Women's Day, whereby we speak about peace, we talk about peace, because we believe that peace begins within men. The World Peace Light Festival and World Peace Talk to acknowledge and to let people know, to let women know that we can be a leader, and in any walks of life that we find ourselves. The improvement in accordance with the society innovation, and to let people to be aware that peace is the only thing that we can have. IWPG is a global women network which embraces the spirit of peace and an ideology which is open and encourage all women of different walks in creating peace to the world. From all what I've discussed since morning concerning IWPG, you can see that this IWPG is a network program for women. At the same time, it's trying to campaign on peace. That apart from staying at home, you need to have peace within yourself. If you can have peace within yourself, you'll be able to pass that to your children. You'll be able to pass that to your family, immediate family. You'll be able to pass it out to the society. Before you know, it gets to the community, it gets to the world. So at the same time, everybody will live in one another. Everybody will live in peace with one another. In conclusion, with what I've been saying since morning, let's support and become one with IWPG. That is, we need to support International Women Peace Group to achieve this aim, to get what we want, because we are looking at 3.6 billion members at the end of the day that will be able to pass the message of peace in order to achieve peace, so that the women of this world will become peacemaker and also have a global village. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Thank you.